How's it going there, YouTube? Well, kind of sifting through YouTube there the other night, which I don't really have a whole lot of time to do anymore these days, but come across a video that's kind of interesting. It was how to collect tractors in a suburban area. And I thought, hey, I kind of fit into that category now too. So, as you guys see, there's all around me here. So, what do you do if you've caught the old tractor bug or the tractor bug or fever, whatever you want to call it? What do you do? How do you solve this issue? Well, I kind of get lucky because I do have enough room to actually get a big tractor in my backyard. But what if you don't got room for big tractors? I mean, we all know I've got the 1828, of course. I mean, anything I've been talking about for the last month has been 1828, this and that. But some people aren't so lucky to have quite the room I've got. And I mean, I don't have a lot of room, but I've got enough room for a couple of tractors around here. But the big stuff's great, but it's expensive to haul around. It's expensive to do anything with. I mean, sure, motor oil and paint and stuff, that's not too bad, but they're hard to find parts for, and especially something like this. The old 1820 is not exactly the easiest thing to find parts for. If you need a carburetor and magneto, yeah, well, I wish you the best of luck. Anyway, I've kind of been diddling outside today, and I kind of thought I'd get a little something put together for you guys here. And yeah, so say you want to collect tractors but you don't know what to do. Well, you do something like this. Yes, the lawn and garden tractor scene is definitely becoming a big thing in this hobby because A, they're not so expensive to play with as the big ones are. B, they're a lot easier to haul around than the big tractors. And C, you can find them pretty well anywhere. This one was, I think this is about a 1972, I believe this one is. A little Oliver 145. This is one of those things you can, feel like going to a show somewhere, you can put it in the back of your truck and away you go. No need for a trailer like that does. But yeah, I've had this tractor for 22 years. We got it in 1997. Me and Gramps got it cleaned up and fixed up and running alright. So I actually just got it out for the first time this morning. First time I've had it out in about 3 years. Things get so busy, but I have had it for a long time. It's a good running tractor and whatnot. It's just I got a bit of flat battery, so it's actually kind of funny. The 1828 starts better than this does at the moment, but nothing a fresh battery or a charged battery can't fix. So that's another option for you guys. But say you're really stuck for room and you don't even have room for a lawn tractor. Well, then what do you do? And you really got the bug that bad? There's always those farm toys. Yes, everyone kind of knows me for the farm toys, that's for certain. Of course, I've always had the 1828 between me and Gramps. That's been around for a long time, and the same with the little 145. But of course, in the winter months, you don't do nothing with those. And till recently, I haven't taken anything around to a show in a long time, other than that Farmersville show out east, because I could just drive the tractor up. But yeah, I've been in the farm toy scene for many years. Bought and sold many toys, and I've built quite a few of them too. So, like I think I've told you guys in the past, the whole reason why I had to buy my house is for my tractor collection. So, yes, there's a few holes in there now, but not hard to find something to go back in there. But that's another option for you guys, is the farm toys. If you haven't got the room or you just don't know which way you want to go yet. And of course, there's books and magazines on the toys and the big stuff too to pique your interest. So there's always something. But anyway, I thought I'd kind of touch on that subject real quick for you guys and make a quick little video. Might give you guys some ideas. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one.